Children, do you face any problem in doing subtraction? If you face problem, yes, you are absolutely correct. Who doesn't feel scared of subtraction? Even when I was small, I used to face a lot of difficulty in doing subtraction, and I had to struggle to clear the concept of subtraction, what to take, what to borrow, where to do minus and all. But I'm telling you a small trick. Just remember one thing for doing subtraction, that is that the number which is bigger, from that number only we can subtract. Mean subtraction, one condition is required, the number which should be subtracted, mean from the number, which number it may need to be subtracted, that should be bigger. Bigger number can be written at the top and smaller number down if you are arranging the numbers vertically, and for horizontally the bigger number will be first, second the smaller number. These two tricks, or these 2 points you need to remember. If you are subtracting and arranging vertically, bigger number at the top. If you are arranging horizontally, bigger number first. Bas, these are the small things you need to remember, and the next step I am just telling you. So please watch the video. Subtraction. What is subtraction? That we need to know. First of all, subtraction means reducing. I will do this sum, but before doing this sum, let me explain you some things. Suppose I want to subtract 6 minus 3. How much is left? Subtraction means reducing. Suppose you have 6 balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Minus 3 means 3 has been taken. So 1, 2, 3. There was 6 balls, 3 has been taken. So I'm removing 3. How many balls are left? 3 balls are left. This is subtraction. Subtraction means taken away. Subtraction means taken away. Or we can say reduced or given to someone. That time we do subtraction. This is something very normal and very easy to do when it is 1 digit. When it is 2 digit also it is easy. If you have 5 chocolates and 2 has been given, so how many you had? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many you have given? 2. 1, 2. How many I need to remove? 2 I need to remove. So how many are left? 3. These are the easy sums which you can do. But when it comes of 2-digit number and the numbers are like, see, there is a rule in subtraction that the number which will be written at the top should be, this number should be bigger than the number which is written down. But if it is like this, 53, 39. So here you check the number which is written at the top is smaller than number 9. Smaller than number 9. Then it is very difficult to do. How will you do? If you want to do this sum, for example, I'm saying you want to eat 3 pizzas. Mean 3 pieces you need. The shop is very far from your house. And there are 3 members. So if you have 2, what will you do? You will ask to your neighbor, knock knock, give me 1 pizza. I will return you. So you will take a pizza from them and you will eat. Next time when you will order 3 pizzas, you have to give 1 to them. Mean what you are doing? You are borrowing. You are borrowing. So in subtraction, when there is less at the top, when there is less at the top, you have to borrow. How will you borrow? You have to borrow from the neighboring number, or this ones, the next place is tens. From tens place I will borrow. We won't borrow much. I will borrow only one. We can borrow only one. So it was 5 tens. If it is 5 tens, if I deduct, it will become, I want to take 1 10, so it will become 4. And what you were taking? 1 10. So I will write here 1 tens. Now the number at the top has become 13. Now count from 9 to 13, children. From 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. How much I'll write? 4. And here now we will consider that 4 is present. How much is there? 4 at the top. We have to take 3 from 4. So after 3, 4, 1. This is my answer. Next number. Let's see. What I told you, when the number, I have to check which number is at the top. 0, 8. 0 is less than 8. So I cannot take 8 from 0. In this case, I have to take 1 tens from here and it will become 10. And this 7 will become 6. Now let's do the subtraction. So if I want to do after 8, 9, 10. How many number? 2. Now here we will not take this number anymore. We will take 6. So from 4, 5, 6, only 2. This is how we have to do subtraction. This borrow idea will come. This is borrowing. Suppose there are 3-digit number. I am writing the place name ones, tens and 100. And you have a number 300. And you need to subtract what? I am giving a number as 219. How will you subtract? Children, remember, always you have to check the number at the top. Here which numbers are there? In ones place, 90. Means 0 is smaller than 9. I need to borrow. Then I have to check here. Here also, the 0 is smaller than 1. Again, this is smaller, mean I need to borrow. So, this is the bigger number. I can borrow from here. I can borrow from 100 place. So, from 100 place, if I borrow, how much I can borrow? 100 I can borrow. One number. So, from 3, if I borrow, it will become 10. Now I need here also from 10, if this will become 2, and this 10 I am borrowing 1, so it will become 10, and borrowing 10 I am taking 1, so this is 9. Now let's do the operation. So from 9 to 10, how much place? 1. From 9, if I take away 1, this is 8. Now from 2, if I take 2, 0. So how much is your answer? 81 is your answer. Isn't it easy subtraction? I am giving another example. The number is 3, 2, 0 and subtract 190. The place name I am giving ones, tens and 100. So if I borrow 0 minus 0, nothing need to borrow. But here I need to borrow. If I borrow, it will become 2 and this will become 12. So 0 minus 0 is 0. From 12, if I take away 9, 9, 10, 11, 12, 3 place. And from 2, if I take away 1, 1. This is my answer.